In this module, we'll look at the different question types that are offered by Pulse for template creation. Click on Create Question, and you can see all the different question types by clicking on the drop-down. Let's start with the long and short text, which are similar in nature. The long text allows the auditor to enter a longer block of text, while the short text allows the auditor to enter a shorter block. Now, depending on the question and the type of input that we're expecting, we can choose the question type. Now let's start by creating the number question type. This question type ensures that the auditor can only enter a number in the input and no characters are entered. Select the question as number and click Create. As you can see, we have an up and down arrow where the auditor can enter a number. Now the next question is yes, no, NA, and the yes, no questions. The only difference between both of these questions is the NA part of it. Depending on the question, you can choose the question type as yes, no, NA, or yes, no, and click Create. As you can see, these two choices are automatically created for us. On a similar note, we have a multiple choice question. When you do not want the auditor to choose between just yes and no. Multiple choice question type allows you to create custom question choices. Choose the question type as multiple choice and click Create. Now by default, multiple choice questions do not have any options by default. You can add the options by clicking on the Edit button and then going to Add Option. Once you're done, click the Edit button once again, and you can see the multiple choices have been added. With multiple choice questions, the auditor can only choose one question at a time and cannot select multiple options. The next question type that we have is checkboxes. Checkboxes are similar to multiple choices, but the only difference being that checkboxes allow the auditor to select multiple answers. Select the question type as checkbox, and click Create. Similar to multiple choice, we have to add the options manually after the creation of the question. Click Edit, and start by adding the option. Hit the Edit button once again, and the options will be saved. Now the auditor can check multiple boxes if there are multiple answers to the same question. The next question we will look at is Upload. The Upload question type allows the auditor to upload an image from their device. You can select the question type as Upload and click Create. This will give an option to choose a file from their device. Let's take a look at the date and time question types. the auditor can select a date by using the calendar. While in the time question type, the auditor can choose the hours and the minutes when the audit was performed or for any other reason, depending on the question. Now the last question types are the barcode and QR code. Barcode and QR code question types act in a similar manner where when the question is presented, the auditor can scan a barcode or QR code on the site. Our final question type is the signature. Click on Create Question and choose the question type a signature. When the auditor is presented with this question, they're able to draw their signature on their mobile screens to sign off the audit. And these are all the question types that are available in Pulse.